Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an English literature class for class 3 students, and this is our second class of annual examinations. Our today's topic is Unit-7, make sentence and true false. So my dear students, let's start the class. But before going to start the class, what can you remember what have we learned in the last class? In the last class, class 1, we finished reading the unit, the police, and what is the unit about? It is about a little girl, the 3 characters in the unit, the little girl, her mother, and the police. So can you remember the little girl had done something wrong? In the first, her mother gave something. Her mother gave her pancakes and orange juice, but she had done something wrong. She didn't say please, and her mother was also sleepy, that's why she didn't say anything. At the end and in the middle of this unit, the police come with his car, and the police told the little girl to say please if she wants anything for others. At the end of the lessons, at the end of the unit, the girls understood her mistake. The little girl says, thanks for the pancakes and the orange juice, can I please have some more? So at the end of the unit, the little girl understood her mistakes. We also learned in the last class the word meaning, steaming, very hot and giving off steam, pull up, stop, patrol, a group of people whose job is to keep an area safe, and synonym and antonym, word top, above, below, closer, nearer, further, right, correct, incorrect. So we learned this word meaning and synonym and antonym in the last class. Some of you submitted the SW and many of you didn't submit the SW. Please do the SW and submit next week. Today's class we will learn about the make sentence. I have given 3 words: noted, wrong, and televisions. Number 1, noted. The little girl simply noted. Don't take it that you have to write this sentence only. You can make your own meaningful make sentence, but the make sentence must be meaningful and subject verb agreement based. Let's look at, can I write one sentence? The word eat. If any student writes rice eats Bushra. Look at the sentence. We are making a make sentence with the word eat. Rice eats Bushra. The sentence is grammatically correct, but the meaning is not correct. So this is not a correct make sentence, because rice cannot eat. Rice cannot eat. Okay? So the correct sentence will be Bushra eats rice. So this one is a correct sentence. So your make sentence must be with a meaning, and also you have to maintain the subject verb agreement. Okay. Number 1, so you can make your own make sentence, no problem, but you have to be careful. Number 1, noted. The little girl simply noted. Number 2, wrong. The little girl had done something wrong. 3, television. The siren was coming from the televisions. I'm repeating. Number 1, noted. The little girl simply nodded. Wrong. The little girl had done something wrong. Number 3, television. The siren was coming from the television. Next one, true and false. Number 1, it was a Sunday morning. It is true or false? Can we come to the unit again? It was a Saturday morning. So this one is false. This one is, so we will write false. Next one, number 2, the little girl watched her cartoon carefully. Can you please come to your book? The little girl watched her cartoon carefully. So this is also, this is true. This is true. And next one, number 3, the little girl listened as the siren got closer and closer, louder and louder. We will again go to the unit again. The little girl listened as the siren got closer and closer, louder and louder. So number 3 is also true. I'm repeating again, true, false. Number 1, it was a Sunday morning. False, because it was a Saturday morning. The little girl watched her cartoon carefully. This is true. Number 3, the little girl listened as the siren got closer and closer, louder and louder. This is also true. So today's class, make sentence. We have learned number 1, nodded. The little girl simply nodded. Number 2, wrong. The little girl had done something wrong. Number 3, television. The siren was coming from the television. And true and false. It was a Sunday morning. False, because it was a Saturday morning. Number 2, the little girl watched her cartoon carefully. True. Number 3, the little girl listened as the siren got closer and closer, louder and louder. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid your parents. Stay home. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.